If Discord is giving you an installation failed error on Windows 11, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by leftover files from a previous failed install, and once we remove those old files, Discord normally installs without any problems. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows fixes and software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, we need to check if any leftover Discord installation files are still on your PC. Sometimes a failed install leaves behind files that block the setup from running properly again. To begin, open the Control Panel on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu and opening it from the results. Once the Control Panel opens, look for Discord in the list of installed programs. If you see it there, click on it, then select Uninstall. This removes the broken or incomplete installation from your system. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and approve it. After that, we need to delete the remaining Discord folders manually because uninstalling it from Control Panel does not always remove everything. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will take you to the App Data roaming folder. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Discord. If you find it, delete it completely. This clears out old configuration files and cache data that may be causing the installation error. Next, again, press Windows plus R to open the Run box one more time. This time, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Now you will be taken to the local app data folder. Just like before, find the Discord folder here and delete it as well. This step is very important because Discord stores installation and temporary files in both locations, and leaving either one behind can cause the installer to fail again. Once both folders are deleted, close everything and go back to your Discord installation setup file. Now run the installer one more time. This time, the installation should start fresh without any corrupted leftover files interfering with the process. Wait for it to finish, and Discord should install normally on Windows 11. If the error is gone, that means the cleanup worked and your installation was successfully repaired. If this video helped you fix the Discord installation failed error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides, Windows troubleshooting tips, and quick software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.